Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're going to look at replacing a basic espagnolet on an outward opening casement window. Now these are the ones that don't have chute bolts at the top or the bottom. More often used for upper floor windows where security might not be as of greater concern. On this particular drive gear, you choose the back set dimension from the drop down box, which is either going to be 20 or 22 millimeters. And that's the distance from the front edge of the face plate back to the center of the square where the handle is offered into. On this particular espagnolet, there are two locking points, mushroom headed locking points, which require a suitable striker to accommodate them to be able to be locked properly. So prior to inserting the mechanism into the window, you need to really understand which way round the mechanism drives to go into the lock position. So currently, with the handle facing downwards, either on the left of the window or on the right of the window, the travel wants to go like this, and as you can see at the bottom it's starting to move. The travel goes like that to open, so that's your open position on the handle, and that goes down to there. You can see that there are two little marks either side of the roller, and those are designed so that you know where what the locking position is. And then that allows you to place the keep in the correct position on the outer frame of the window, so that once it goes into place, it sits comfortably as close up to the curve as possible. That means that the mushroom head of the roller is sitting comfortably underneath as much metal as possible to increase the security level. Having got the espagnolet into the lock position aligned with the two marks, you can drop it comfortably into the sash and then offer the handle in place, and to test it, depress the button, rotate the handle. Make sure that it travels in the correct direction. Once you're happy with that and you've got the handle in place, I would suggest you secure the handle, but do not over tighten the screws, because it can twist the espagnolet. And then fit each of the sets of screws along the plate to secure it. One important aspect of this is that the metalwork may not reach the end of the sash. This isn't important, as the securing of the window is all carried out around this area, and the anchoring of this metalwork is still located onto something solid. So the distance from the end can be anything between 25 up to 50 millimeters short, and that's acceptable. Thanks once more for watching our mini video. Hope it's been helpful, and keep on trying the DIY